Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you how to download and install the cracked version of the IDM. Our viewer has requested us to make a video, little bit small video on it. So I am going to do it. Off track video, I will say it, just for a user to have easy access to download our data or anything else from the browser. So for that, what we have to do is, first of all, we have to download the IDM crack file, and we can download it from the piratebay.org. Then you can simply go with like this, and you have to provide a keyword, just IDM, and you can download it necessary, all the download necessary version or which you like, but I am going with it with the latest one. So I am going with build 11 as I have downloaded it earlier too. So I can download any of the version. You can simply go with like that. I have downloaded build 11 version, this version one. So I am just showing the download part to little bit over here. After that, we have to provide the path to the IDM download file where you want to save it, and after that you can simply click OK. It will take little bit time to add a file from the site to here, so just wait little bit, and after this you can simply click OK. But I have already downloaded it, so I am cancelling it, and now I am going to installation part. And as I have recently uninstalled it to show you how to install it, so for that I have uninstalled my IDM. So here you can see I have downloaded IDM 6.38 build 11. So I am just installing it. You can see it here. And just click accept the agreement, next, and it will run it automatically. And here after installation you will see here icon, IDM icon over here. After installation, just finish it, and you have to provide a patch file to over here. As my window is of 64-bit, I am going to install it patch over here, 64-bit patch. Agree, install. After that it will appear like this after finishing of the installation. While extracting file, you have to put up this type of password as it is given here. You have to put 123 as password, and then only it will extract this file. Now after installation, you have to go to your browser, and then you can see it here in the extension. You can search for a IDM integration module. You can simply search it. Sorry, not here, in the Chrome Web Store. Chrome Web Store. You can simply go here and type here this one, and simply click enter. By doing this, it doesn't show us clearly, so I am going with this. After this, you can go to like this, and here you can see in the third one how to find IDM extension in the Chrome Web Store, and here it is provided with a link. Go with that and simply add to Chrome, add extension, and after that you can simply cancel it. And now go to again in the extension part here, and it will show us here, and our extension has added. And now to add our extension here, we have just to pin it here, and now we can go to our YouTube part now. we have fixed our extension to. Now you can download any of the video in the YouTube from here, and I am just showing you the download of this, as I have found of this video or the Python. You can see, you can pause it here simply, and you can simply see, you can download all the quality of the file you want to download here. You can see all the quality available of the video are shown here, and you can download any of it. For now I want to download simply the highest quality of the video, so you can see it is available here, and you can download by clicking just start download. And now we have done our part. Thank you, keep watching.